Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to fix a broken handle that you can't buy separately. Mercedes wants you to replace the entire door panel. Once you remove the door panel, back you're going to see some little tabs. These need to be removed. 2 screws and 2 small tabs, one at the top, one at the bottom, and the door handle will come out. Once you remove the clips from the back of the plastic tabs, the trim will remove from the other side, and you can remove 2 Torx bits. After removing the final 2 tabs, you can remove the handle. Here you can see the common broken part and my replacement to go in. Line it back up, slide it through, it'll clip into place. Replace 2 screws. And a Torx 20 driver. Tighten them back down. Replace the trim from the other side and replace the spring clips. Once complete replacing spring clips, the door panel is ready to be reinstalled.